Are you craving that iconic yellow rice at your favorite restaurant? Well, let's take a look at what's in it and realize how easy it is to prepare. Check out all of the numbers and instructions linked down below. So we'll start off by rinsing off that rice to get any impurities out of it, and we'll do that until the water runs almost clear. I prefer doing it in a sieve, it just saves the time, and once you've done that, just soak the rice while you prepare the rest of the ingredients. Today I'm going to use some butter in a saucepan that's been heating on medium heat, and once that's molten, add in all of your whole spices. We'll give it time for the spices to become roasted, become aromatic, and then add in the chilies and ginger. We'll let that roast as well. The chilies and ginger combo always smells awesome, but prepare for some coughs. This is a good time now to strain the rice and then add it to the saucepan along with your turmeric and some salt to taste, and then just mix. Then after about a minute or so, you can add in water or stock or even coconut milk and mix that up, bring that to a boil. Then you want to turn the heat down to around medium low, cover that saucepan, leaving a small slit to let any excess steam escape, and just let that rice cook while you enjoy these tasty treats packaged in this elegant box from the Gift Boxes factory. So if you're a small business looking for packaging and shipping solutions and you like what you see, check them out below. And before you know it, the rice is ready and looking fluffy and delicious as ever. We're gonna give it a quick fluff with a fork and then serve it with whichever main dish you like the most with rice. It's so good by itself as well, and if you really want to have more with turmeric, some more fun with it, check out my Instant Pot Khichdi, which is a rice and lentil porridge.